Okay, so welcome at this new video. I thought let me make a quick video again because yesterday we had PPI, today we have CPI, so we have some big news. For Bitcoin, not that much has changed, so view is still the same. Weekly statistics are bullish, my bias is also bullish. Our weekly low is this low right here. Very strong low right now, low probability to take it out. And based on statistics, it's also very likely that we see higher prices. So yeah, overall the bias is bullish. We have the 80% bullish confluence target around 117.5k. So if we break above this level, then I think any pullback is for buying into those levels. Because also the monthly will flip bullish then, so a lot of upside. The only thing what can hold us back, which is also what I explained yesterday, is that we have this potential PO3 in which this was our range. This is the manipulation, and that if bears want to show up, they should do it. We have some supply here. I deleted it to make it a bit more clear, but this is basically the only supply left where bears can show up. So I might look for some hedge shorts if we take out these highs into that naked point of control and then break structure. Let me delete this actually. If we do that, then I might open a hedge short if I get the opportunity, of course, with a stop loss above that high, and then look for a rotation back down. However, that's strongly against the probabilities, so yeah, it will only act as a hedge. For that, I want to see this high be taken out into the naked point of control, and then preferably during the New York hit zone, which is between 12 and 5, so that could align with the CPI news. So if we get a strong push in here and then back down, then might be open for a hedge short. Beside that, overall bullish. Quickly looking at USDT, the dominance. We had that distribution right here. Technical target is the range low. We still haven't hit it yet, so I expect us to hit that very soon. And then, as always, we have to look, have to be open for potential reversals, because we just play the range as always. So here we deviated the range high, went to the range low. If we deviate the range low here, then we can get a rotation back to the range high again. Also because we have this liquidity trail, but without confirmations, it's worth nothing. You could say that your structure is down here, so this is your break structure level, break structure level, break structure level. Yes, right there. But overall, I think we might get potentially a PO3. So maybe during the weekend, maybe we get CPI going down here and then consolidate here during the weekend, and then always on Sunday could be reversal day. So then I will be looking for a manipulation on Sunday, and then potentially next week a bullish week. Who knows? Just a scenario. For now, things are looking quite bullish. Quickly over ETH, the ETH long we shared with the group is still running. I put my stops to break even, so a risk-free position, and first TP will be at this local range high. And then I think if we break above there, that this can be seen as a massive manipulation and accumulation. And then I think we can quite easily make our way back to the range highs right there, which would offer us a pretty nice RR of almost 7. So that's nice. And then I want to quickly go over the XRP trade I shared this morning in a group as well. I can quickly show you that too. Right here, took an XP scalp. Yeah, shared it because I remember this trade. I had like a deja vu or something. Like I have taken that trade earlier, so I went back in my journal, and that's also why it is so important to journal trades, because then it will be stuck in your memory better. Like here we had range high, range low. Price came back to the mid range, impulsive move up above the mid range. Creating demand and an FVG above it. Price slowly retracing back into that level, breaking into the fib levels as well, breaking local structure back to bullish, long stop loss below the low, target local range highs. Well, if we see what happened, what did price do here? A range high, a range low, price coming to the mid-range, coming below it, aggressive push above the mid-range, while creating demand and an FEG above it. And then if we also look at just this range, range high, range low, if you reclaim the range, the mid-range, you can expect again a move to the range high. From range high, mid-range, loose mid-range, range low, just simple range theory. So what we did here, price came above it. I drew some fib levels. It's also the market structure. If you look at it from here, if we skip the local points just here, high, higher low, higher high, then if we continue that local uptrend from range low to range high, we should see a continuation from here. So then you have pretty clean levels to look at and to expect a continuation higher. So let's hide this for now. Here we had that move. I drew my fib from low to high. We had that demand, FEG, the continuation setup, local liquidity curve leaving behind. And then right here, it was on the 3-minute structure. If we just skip the last points, right here, came here, 2 candles up, going down, SFP, this low. And then right here, we broke the structure. So I think I've entered it right here after we closed a few candles above it. Stop loss below this low. If you want to be more safe, you can put it below that demand. But overall, if you have a local breaker structure right here, then you don't want to take this low again. So stop loss below that low. Target the local range high. After we took all this local liquidity, this buy-side liquidity trail, I moved my stop loss to break even already, because then the main purpose of this local move was already completed. So at this point, I moved my stops to break even for risk-free position. And then we took this local range high, boom, took 70% profits around here. And then I have a little bit left for the ultimate range high, which got front run by a little bit. So right now I'm in a risk-free position. I have no idea. We can get stopped on the remaining position, or we get to the range high. But yeah, that's always the important thing. If you play your local range, you should always take majority of the profits at your local range high. Because now if you didn't do that and you were waiting for the ultimate range high, then you will be left without profits. So that's quickly the trade. Again, it was all shared. I also explain exactly why why I take the trades and which setups it are. So if you are interested, you can always join. It's easy to join, and a lot of chats, so it's definitely worth it in my opinion. Then let's see what happens during CPI, which is when is it? Yeah, in a little bit over an hour from now. So let's see. Interested in potential shorts if we do this, and for the rest, letting the longs run. So let's see. Thanks for watching again, and cheers.